you've got diagonal stripes on your CRT monitor, or more likely, you've got diagonal stripes on your monitor when you power it up, and then after the first few seconds of operation, it goes away. What's up with that? I'm going to tell you. I'm Lawton Barnes, and you are in the metal shop. Okay, this poor, unfortunate example here is showing the kind of stripes that I'm talking about. This is absolutely positively an indicator that the screen control on your flyback transformer is turned up too high. And this is an older machine. That monitor needs a lot of work anyway, but I'm going to show it to you on a Player's Edge machine, and I'm going to show you what happens when you see this on startup. And in that case, you see the diagonal stripes and then they go away. If your poker machine is doing that, it's really not that big of a deal. It's kind of supposed to do that. It does indicate that your flyback transformer is still tweaked a little too high, and we're going to turn it down, but it's not something to be terribly concerned about. The Ceronix monitors are self-adjusting, and what happens is when you power it up, it goes through a little sequence internally and it sets its brightness for a consistent output. And the reason they did that is in a casino, when they had a whole bank of machines like this, they wanted all of the screens to have the same brightness and the same appearance. But when you're seeing the diagonal stripes on startup, it still means that your flyback transformer is cranked up a little too high. Let's just turn it down and make that go away so that it doesn't put unnecessary wear and tear on the monitor. And with a draw poker machine like this, you can't adjust the flyback while it's powered up and in the machine. You have to remove the monitor, take it out, make the adjustment, and put it back in. Let's do it. Okay, before we go sticking our fingers into a CRT monitor, we always discharge the monitor. Why? Because a CRT can shock you even when it is turned off. So all we need to do is get a screwdriver and a wire with alligator clips, clip one end to the ground, stick the other end of the screwdriver underneath the anode cup. And once it contacts the metal connector in there, you have discharged the monitor. It is now safe to handle. This knob on the lower of the two knobs on the side of that flyback transformer, I'm just going to crank it down about not even a quarter turn, just a little smidge from where it was. We will reinstall, plug back in, and this time when I hit the power, we should not see the diagonal lines. And they are gone. And that is a correctly adjusted screen control on the flyback transformer of a Player's Edge poker machine. That one is still a train wreck. We'll deal with that one in another video. Thanks for hanging out in the metal shop.